And so, founder-led content and posting content from your executive account has been a really great way to generate inbound interest and inbound leads for your business. This has been a trend for the last couple of years, and more people have gone into it. But the component that has started to evolve, or the evolution of this, has been getting your entire team to be able to post. The obvious benefits of this are more opportunity to post great content, which gives you a wider and bigger opportunity to reach more people. And then everyone has their subset niche and perspective. And so you get this really human, personal experience from a brand that a brand account could never replicate. So today we're going to be talking about how we can do this, because the last thing that we want is to have employees feel like they're content creators on top of the work that they already need to do. And the reality is that no one will post if it just feels like work and there's no obvious reason to be able to do it. And we can run this whole system in Claude. And so you can make a really efficient system for your team. And so if you're a head of marketing or a content creator already, you maybe have already tried to encourage your team to post content on their own. And what happens, especially in this era of AI, is that everyone says, sure, and they start posting. And while output maybe doubles, you actually start to see engagement drop. And that's because people don't have the right system or the right structure to know how to write good and effective social copy. Or they're just going right into ChatGPT, producing something on first pass, calling it done, and sending it back to you, and saying, here's a done product, and then you have to spend the additional time to rewrite it. What we want to do is actually be able to build a system that your team can plug into. And so you can service the ideas, you can tell them exactly, what the angle you want, and all you need is to be able to gather their perspectives. And the interesting thing about this is if you use tools like Gong or another Fathom or a way to record your notes, you can actually be able to pull their perspectives in automatically without having to pull them for an interview every time.